I'm a climate scientist. I use these large climate models that run on supercomputers to really understand how the climate around us interacts and changes from day to day, year to year, and on, decade to century timescales. More recently, we've been looking at this connection between the polar regions over Antarctica and the tropics. That's kind of been driven by some really record events we've seen. So we saw this rapid decline in the amount of sea ice around Antarctica in 2016, and it's quite a rare event to see such a dramatic change. And so we've had a few studies trying to understand what caused that. Our study was really the first to invoke the Indian Ocean into that driver of those changes in the winds, which then subsequently changed the sea ice extent. I guess in climate science, we are trying to just understand what's happening in the climate system. But of course, that has really important implications for climate policy. And so if we're thinking about future projections and how our climate's going to change in the future, then we need to understand how much of that is due to humans and how much is just normal variability that the climate system would be undergoing anyway. And so these studies are really trying to get at that question of natural variability or human-induced variability. I guess I'm passionate about science because I think we really need to use the evidence around us to inform our decisions. And day to day, I just love my job. I love, really trying to solve these mysteries that we see in the climate system. I love working with students who are also trying to get at those answers.